KR Fanatics, welcome back to Bermuda Grass Central. Once again, you're chilling with the big yard dog himself, DYD. And this video today is basically how to teach you or show you some tricks on how to get your grass dark green. All right, we're gonna take it from light green to dark green. So stay tuned.
You're watching Bermuda Grass Central, changing the world 1 yard at a time.
Okay, yard fanatics, look, the yard is coming along really good, really good. And if you saw my Instagram video, actually, Instagram picture, I did a video on that, and this is a couple hours later. Look what the heat is doing to it, drying them up. But we're not here for that. All right, we're here to figure out why or how to get your grass greener than your neighbors. All right, so, well, not greener than your neighbors, just green in general, thus crush thy neighbor. All right, and there are plenty techniques that you can use. I'm just giving you a little visual here. And guys, yeah, I know some gaps in here. Follow the video and you'll see how destroyed this yard was and how far we've come. All right, let's take a look up top. Okay, yard fanatics, hopefully this top view is doing it some justice and you can see the color differential in it. You look over here, you can see how darker green that is. As a matter of fact, let me pan over here and you can kind of see the difference. See that lighter green? You can kind of see that darker green right there. All right, I'm gonna jump right into this video and I'm gonna show you some things, well, one product in particular that I'm kind of starting to fall in love with. Okay, yard fanatics, look, I'm gonna jump right into this video. The product that I've actually found on YouTube is called Ferti Lome. All right, Ferti Lome, however you want to pronounce it. All right, and the reason I'm bringing it to your attention is because generally when you're on YouTube, all right, and you see guys using that chelated iron, or chelated, however you want to pronounce it, but it's pronounced chelated. Generally, this is the one that you're going to keep seeing. All right, but, and like I said, you know, I try to keep it real. A lot of people don't even know what chelated means. Once again, you're only doing it because you see it in the video. So you don't really know the meaning of all this stuff. You just say, hey, it looks like it works on there, so I'm gonna use it, all right? Now, I'm not gonna be the rocket scientist or the super expert like some of these other guys, but chelated basically means this. The ions are produced differently. The ions in the chelated liquid iron actually stick to the plant leaf and it's easier to absorb. So it absorbs a whole lot easier than just regular iron. That's why a lot of people are using the chelated, to make it simple. So if you can get those ions to enter that plant and in the cells, chlorophyll production steps up and you generally get a deeper green. Everybody green is not going to be the same. It's going to depend on the amount you apply, the type of grass, weather conditions, and everything. But generally, if you use a chelated liquid iron, you're going to get a darker green. The reason I checked this one out, and hopefully you can see this. It contains, let me see if I can get it there, some micronutrients also. You can see it right there. Chelated iron, copper, manganese, and zinc. All right, all these ones you buy basically come in a 1 gallon. They do have them smaller, come in a 1 gallon, and they generally have directions on the back. Now you see I got a few more in the back. I got a Sunnyland liquid iron, and I got the Southern Aug chelated liquid iron. Now, this is what the Ferti Lome iron looks like. All right, as far as the smell test, you know I love to smell stuff. I don't know if you can see me smelling it, but it has a slight odor. Reminds you of a mild dish detergent. You know, nothing outstanding. I mean, I had my nose literally on top of the cap and it didn't blow me away. I'm gonna sit this one to the side just for a second. Now this, guys, keep in mind, I'm gonna do another video with all these irons, all right? Because I'm using them all on my lawn. Once again, here we go, BYD experimenting, finna, you know, his yard. But it's all for the science, guys. It's all for the science. This Sunnyland liquid iron, and it's a couple of things I want you to know about this. I got this off of Lowe's, all right? You can see the color of it. It looks kind of cloudy. This Sunnyland liquid iron does not have any information on the front of it. It doesn't even tell you it's 128 ounces. Only information it has is on the back, and it's really not much. All right, this is a 4.5%, hopefully you can see that, soluble iron. And that's pretty much it. It doesn't give you any information on the front. It doesn't tell you if it's chelated, so we're just gonna assume that it's not. But it's supposed to be a soil conditioner also. So guys, the only thing I can tell you is I'm gonna do an experiment. And the reason I brought the Sunnyland to you, because it's only $8.99 a gallon. Now, before you run out to Lowe's and try to order it, it's currently out of stock at the time of filming this video, but you can keep checking. Actually, when I ordered mine, it was $7.99 a freaking gallon. Now, as you know, this stuff can go from 30 to 40 bucks a gallon, all right? Just keep that in mind. I'll do a video for this, but I'm just bringing it to your attention right now. Now, this is the one that you normally always see on YouTube's, that Southern Aug. Theirs is kind of like a darker, deep color. One thing I will say about this, let me make sure the top is on tight before I do this. When I shake this up, you see how that stuff is coating the bottle? So when you spray this on your lawn, it's gonna leave a little coating on it. To me, it seems like that helps it stay on the leaf surface a little longer and get into the plant a little faster. Not saying it works better, but that's just something that came to my attention. Matter of fact, that's the Sunnyland right there. Nothing. Ferti Lome, nothing. Difference, this one has some micronutrients added to it, all right? This is just one of the things I want to bring to your attention. There will be a video on all of these later on, but let's get to this one right here. This is the one that I've sprayed on you facing my house, the left side. And yes, I did notice a tad bit deeper green than I got on the other side. Now the other side, I actually used the Southern Aug chelated iron a while back. But this one actually, and hopefully I got the prices up there, is kind of at the same price. These prices go up and down. This was actually more than that. Then I checked, that went out of stock, came back in stock with a cheaper price at $31 or 20 something dollars. So the price fluctuates. But today I'm gonna show you how I apply this to my lawn. And guys, real simple, real easy. So let's get to it. Okay, yard fanatics, look, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how. It's real simple. Always shake that up, even though to me, there's no residue or nothing in here that's gonna settle. But you never know. Shake it up real good. Unscrew it. Remember the funnel from my last video. All right, you insert it in this bottle. And what this is, guys, this is just an old spray bottle that I had left over from another product I used. And now I'm using it for this. All right, you see I got markers on it. And guys, don't forget, shop with BYD, all right? This product, I will provide a link in the description. Click on it and it'll take you straight to that product to purchase as a just to tell you straight up, I get small kickbacks from every order you order through my link. Nothing major, but shop with BYD at www.amazon.com/shop/Bermuda Grass Central. Once you click on that link or my direct link, order the product as normal. Your shopping experience will be the same through Amazon. Nothing will be different. All right. So basically what we do, guys, is we take that. Now, one thing I don't like about this bottle, it doesn't have any markers, so you can kind of see where you're pouring, but fill your bottle up. And try not to overfill it. Because I don't have markings, I got to peek down in there to kind of see. Or I can kind of look in this hole, and once it hit that hole, I know to stop. Yeah, that's it right there. May have something to come out. All right, we're gonna pour that out. Guys, when you're using an iron, make sure not to get it on concrete, pavers, stuff like that, because it can possibly stain it. All right, so we're gonna screw this on here. All right, I got that on there tight. Get my residual up. There's stuff everywhere. And guys, make sure you got some gloves on, even though I took mine off. Put your gloves on. Now, one thing I want you to know, this product does not state that it is an organic product. So if you're trying to stick strictly organic, this may not be the product for you. Put your lid back on. And another thing I like about this product, it actually has a book on it. Those other products don't have a book, just that little sticker on the back. But this one gives you a whole lot more information. Now, as far as spraying this on your lawn, guys, it's gonna say it covers anywhere from 500 square feet to 1,000 square feet per quart. And what is a quart? 16 ounces? I hope I'm right, but it's 16 ounces. So if you do the math, one bottle technically will only cover 8,000 square feet. And what I mean by bottle, I mean this whole entire 1 gallon jug right here. So we're gonna go ahead and treat this right here. Actually, I'm gonna spray this on roughly about 3,500 square feet right here. And this is 32 ounces, I think, right here. So it really only is gonna cover about 2,000 square feet, but I'm gonna push it a little bit more because I've already applied some and I'm satisfied with the color that I have, right? All right, so let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, yard fanatics, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spray this. First, I'll hook it up to the water hose and show you how I hook it up. And it'll be time-lapsed for your enjoyment. But you just basically wanna make sure that you get even strokes and you can kind of walk backwards with it. Try not to step in it, but whatever makes you feel comfortable while you're applying this product, all right? So let's go ahead and start. Okay, yard fanatics, Big Yard Dog is gonna show you how I do this. And like I said, here's the bottle. Hopefully you can see that. Let me see if I can get it there. Guys, I just basically make sure you shake it up again. Take that, screw it in there, but make sure that that rubber gasket seal is in there. You see that, right? Make sure that's in there. Simply screw it on. You know, it's always harder doing it by yourself. BYD Jr. Nowhere to be found, of course. But look, we're gonna screw that on. All right. Make sure it's nice and tight. Don't over tighten it until you strip the plastic because it's all cheap. But that's it. We're gonna turn the water on and we're gonna make even distributed sprays across the yard. So I'll time lapse that so you can see. Okay, yard fanatics, and that's it. It's that simple. Right now, you'll be in the waiting game. You know, one thing I want to stress is when you're doing things like this to your yard, it's not going to happen overnight. All right, you're gonna have to have patience. I know you see the guys with the super dark green and all that good stuff, but that stuff is not happening overnight, guys. So as long as you got patience, you'll get there. All right, and two things you can do with this. You can apply this early in the morning when you have morning dew on your lawn, so you can take advantage of that free water that's on the grass. Or you could do split applications. You can do it in the morning and then do it again in the evening. I suggest you do this 2 days after you cut your lawn. That way you got at least 3 or 4 days with it being on your yard. Should you do it before you cut it? My suggestion, no. Do it 2 days or either 1 day after you cut your lawn. And it doesn't matter if you do it right after you cut your lawn, but most people wait till a day or so after you cut your lawn, spray it on your yard. All right, you could do it in the evening so you won't have that heat and that dissipation on it, taking it up out of there. But that's pretty much it. I like the Ferti Lome because it has a few more micronutrients in it than the others. It may cost a tad bit more, it may not, but I will put a link down there so you can purchase it through the BYD Bermuda Grass Central link. All right. So guys, remember one thing. You're tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.